Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Love the intro.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. We're gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you know what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
Oh, give me kisses. Thank you.
Give me kisses trying to rip your finger off.
Actively attacking the hole.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fine like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get along, baby. In the meantime, just some me time. Don't tell.
Guys, look, so this was, are you recording? Okay, so this was, they were really nice to me, and I told the woman that I had a nut allergy, and she switched gloves. She took it really serious. She got really, and she switched gloves, and she washed her hands, and she scrubbed under her nails, and I washed it with a brush, and then she grabbed a brand new set of gloves out of the box in the cabinet, and she grabbed a brand new set of utensils out of the box in the cabinet. Something just touched. Oh, it's raining. Oh, it's raining on my ice cream. Anyways, needless to say, she came over, gave us a spiel, said, if something happens to you, don't sue us.
Yeah.
Baking?
Yes.
Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel.
I promise you.
Will you be my
Real
leading
talk, you've been my inspiration. You know, me plus you, combination for the nature.
baby? In the meantime, get some me time.
We're on our break. We're eating Trader Joe's kimbap with sriracha that was poached from a sushi restaurant. And I'm about to do my makeup and watch American Horror Story on my car screen. Truly born in the right generation. Anything I was ever talking about before.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. We're gone for a year, only know like once.
This is an alarm.
Life move fast and you know what you want.
In the meantime,
Women will do anything.
get some me time. In the meantime, get some me time. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself.
I said don't sing to me. And here they are, singing to me. Oh.
Gotcha.
Ha, got him. Wait. I wish for...
And then nada.
1, 2, 3. This is my card. This was my gift. And then watch this. It's not as satisfying. Wait, hold please. Oh, it's not. Pressure. Pressure. Oh, you see that? Check out the manicure. Anyways, this guy's name is Blinker. And on today's menu, there's stuff floating in there. You can't see it, but we're not drinking that because what is that?
What do we have?
We have a caramel latte. I was gonna order a cappuccino, but she roasted me and was like, "Do you know that's actually this big?" And then I didn't. And then I was like, "I don't want a little thing." And then I got this one, and I really like the red, and it's really warm. So, Look, guys, look.
The light behind me is not doing me any favors. Maybe hold it though. Yeah, now you can see my drinks. Yeah, I'll just have to go.
I mean, I can lift my arm.
Go back. Yes. And what do we have today?
Today on the menu, we have the tasting menu includes 4 drinks.
We have
And
a
it's-
lemonade with blue curacao. I don't know what else. Oh my god. Whoa.
Yeah, good.
Uh-huh. This is peach cold brew, scary and spooky.
Thoughts? So good. Spooky, scary?
Oh, it's vile.
Okay.
I hate their cold brew. That's just water.
Okay. Palate play on dessert.
Fingers crossed. Passion and matcha. Those are my favorite things. Sounds okay. Sounds good. Sounds their cold brews.
Tried them?
Of course you can.
Smells like nothing. That's tasty. Tastes like blue Gatorade. It tastes like the sugar-free Gatorade, the blue one.
With sugar. It's like vomit.
What is that?
It's their cold brew. Just like I've tried it multiple times.
I don't want to try that.
I don't like it.
That was. This is.
Jail.
Say with me.
The winner. This one's yummy.
It's just missing the cute little vinegar with the peach ring.
Yeah. Oops. What's our IKEA haul?
IKEA haul. Okay, so we have lint rollers.
59 cents.
59 cents. We got 2 of those. I got a squeegee to test the method. So I saw online that they have this company that sells a squeegee. It's like the size of like a credit card, and you basically swipe it along like your car seats, whatever, to get in your couch to get dog hair off of it. So then I thought, for $1.50, let's test an actual handheld squeegee to see if it gets the dog hair out, because then I can just squeegee the seat protector in the back seat and then vacuum that one line of hair. And I tested it on my yoga pants in IKEA, and boom. I got some microfiber towels for cleaning, and last but not least, our steal of the day.
Look at that.
How sick is that? So this is gonna go on my shelf. Black marble, doesn't exactly fit, but then it has a smoked out this thing, and then on the inside you can see the that thing, and then when it's on, it has like a nice amber warm glow. It looks sick.
A steal, some would say.
And for 12 bucks, the base was $25. The bulb itself is $9. So I got the entire set that would have been over $35 for $12.
And I got a $3 hamper and a $4 shoe rack. And we have our Capital One Cafe drinks that were half off. And I have a Dreamsicle matcha. And she has a decaf caramel latte.
And it tastes kind of off. It's a little better now, room
Mine's good.
temperature, which, why? for me.